question. Daria keeps track of people who attend fitness classes in a local exercise club. In 1 week, 600 people used the club. And then it gives some details there. They did not do cardio or weights. These guys did cardio. These guys did weights. How many people did both? Okay, so we are clearly looking for the intersection. So we got 600. Oh, again, I can't emphasize enough, and I think I say this every video. Please pause the video, try the question yourself, and then come back and give it and see how you did. Check the answer key on Brightspace or watch the video. But if it all works out, it should be good. Cardio, weight training. All right, so we have 600 people who use the club. That's my total I'm shooting. I got 41 who didn't do either. Oops. There's got to be a way that I can make these so they're easy to see all at the same time. All right, that's those guys. Now we have 437 that did cardio. And that did weights. And it's specifically asking for how many did both. So we know there's going to be an intersection. All right, what's the plan? Let's deal with these guys first. So 600 minus the 41. Didn't do that. Okay, so there should be 559. In my union here. So in this part of my picture. All right. Let's see what we got. I can already see there's too many. So 437 plus 260. Because when we do this, what we can do is we can figure out how many people were counted twice. That will give us the inside scoop. 437 plus 268, 75. Right, and that's from adding these two up. So obviously, some people were counted twice. So let's subtract and figure out how many. And again, that's your intersection. So you know this is 146. Yeah, that was a question. That actually is the end of my question. But you know me, I'm going to solve this for good practice. So 437 minus 146. You know what? I'm going to set this one up. 268 minus 46. Yeah. And then we can check that our math all worked out too. So 437 minus 146. All right. So there were 291 people that did cardio only, 146 that did both, 268 minus 146, 222 that did just weights. And I'm going to do a check. So, oh, and I forgot these guys. The ones that didn't do cardio or weights. And this, and this should add up to 600. 1, 146, 122. All right. Yes. So we had everybody counted. This matches that. Remember, everybody should appear in the diagram once. All right, cool, 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 cool. All right, last question. And on ocean liner, 741 passengers were asked if they'd would like fish or vegetable stew for dinner. So all the passengers, like, okay, you know what? I don't even care about that yet. I can draw. Oops. There we go. Let's start with the picture. All right, so there are 741 passengers. And they like fish or vegetable stew. So all the passengers liked at least one of these choices. So you don't need to, you know what? I'm throwing a 0 in the corner because I'm so used to having that number back down there, right? Because we kept having, didn't like either or didn't play football or volleyball, whatever. So check. Dealt with that, dealt with that. 100 like fish and stew equally. So I'm gonna interpret that to mean 100 goes there. And now 239 preferred fish. Well, I would think that means fish only, right? I think on a test, I would be leery of this question because I'm just going to change it. And I'm going to put that word in there. Okay. And probably when you see your copy, it'll have the word in there only, just for clarity. Because with preferred fish, I don't know if that's the whole circle or just a partial circle. And now I've made it. So I know it's 239. And we want to know preferred stew. I'm going to put the word only there. Now it's clear. We need to find this one. So I have 741 altogether minus the 239 here minus, I'm laughing because my dog is complaining. I'm working. 41 minus, oops, let's try it again. 141 minus 239 minus 100 is equal to 402. All right. So those are the ones that like vegetables stew only. And ta-da, that is the end of the question.